My snowflake. Hello, glitter fam, we're back. I am hella itchy right now. Hello. Hello. Hello out there. Hello world. Hey you guys, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to this pretty look that I did. You like it? I like it. I have been dying to create a snowflakey kind of look, and I'm really happy with the way that this came out. You guys know that I moved, and Roadway Moving was amazing, and they helped me so much with my move, and we came out with this really cute idea to share a makeup look and make like the whole like moving posts just more exciting than just me with a box. So I just immediately thought about like snow and winter time and everything, because it's, you know, freezing cold outside, and Roadway Moving was amazing. Roadway Moving's colors are blue and white, and this kind of just like ties everything together. You guys know me as the Glitter Queen, and this is a classic Glitter Queen look, and I'm really happy to kind of be back, be doing this makeup and sharing it with you guys. And oh my god, hold on, I am not gonna cry. It's like really hard to describe to you guys, but it took a lot for me to sit down and film a Glitter Queen look, because I know this is what you guys know me for. This is like my signature makeup look. This is the type of stuff that just like this is the type of look that really just brings me back to why I do what I do and why I love it and why I love creating. So with all that being said, all that jibble jabber, whatever, this is the look that I'm creating for you guys today. I hope you like it. Like I said, I really like the way that it came out, and yeah, I hope you guys see like the inspiration behind it. It's just I needed to get back to Glitter Queen. I needed to get more creative. It's winter time. Roadway Moving is amazing. I'm feeling good, and this is the look. So if you guys would like to learn how I got this snowflakey makeup look, then please keep on watching. Hello you guys. We are starting off with our brows done, primer on, as we always do. Jumping into the Carity 21 color matte palette, and I'm using this bright blue on a skinny blending brush in my crease. I'm going to keep going into that color and build it up as much as I want until I'm satisfied with it. I used a bare blending brush with nothing on it. It's clean, just to blend out the color. I decided I kind of wanted the transition to flow a little bit better, so I went into my Colored Rain Lovelies palette and used the dark deep blue in there, right in the very crease of my eye. I then took the lighter blue from the Carity 21 color matte palette, and I just like tapped it on top of the blue shadow, just so that we weren't kind of like disturbing any of the colors. I don't want them to get like all muddy and things like that. So that's what I did with that. And then we moved on to the cut crease. I'm using like a base from Shani. I think it's like a base. It's like an eye and lip base, I think they call it. And then once I'm satisfied with my cut crease, I went on to the glitter. I wasn't sure what I wanted to do on the like lid, but we just went with glitter, and it worked out. The glitter was opaque and it looked perfect. I used a glitter from Lit Cosmetics, and the glitter glue was from NYX. For the little snowflakes, I have been seeing tons of people put snowflakes in their makeup, and I just wanted to recreate something with snowflakes. So I'm using the stickers that you'll see me put on later as reference. So for what I want the snowflakes to look like, I did like a big snowflake on each eye, a medium snowflake, and then a tiny, like maybe like 2 or 3 tiny ones, and then a bunch of dots to kind of fill in the empty space of the snowflakes. And they were all different like shapes, sizes, and different types of snowflakes, not all the same. So I did that with the SOOO Beauty Hydro Liner in Space Panda. I took a little bit of an Urban Decay glitter liner. I realized that by putting this on top, I was kind of like activating the Hydro Liner again. So just be careful if you are going to do that. And you could barely see it like in video or on camera. It was more so like an in-person kind of thing. I then moved on to eyeliner. I tight lined with the Tarte Man Eater eyeliner, and then I'm adding my Benefit They're Real mascara to my lashes right before we put on the falsies. We had to put on falsies for this look. These are from a company called Glowed Up Girl, so I put those on, and then we moved on to the face. My primers are the Amazing Cosmetics Illuminating Primer and the Dermalogica Hydra Blur, and then for foundation, I'm using the Rimmel foundation. You guys know that I really enjoyed this foundation back in like the summer, so I wanted to come back to it and use it again. I'm using the Huda Beauty Overachiever concealer underneath my eyes and in all the highlight areas, and before I blend that, I'm going to spray it with my Dermablend setting spray, just because the Rimmel can get kind of matte really quickly. So I wanted to make sure that it all blended in flawlessly. To set, I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape setting powder. And then I'm going into the Too Faced Natural Face Palette. I used the bronzer in here to bronze up my face. And then I also used a mix of the two blushes in the middle for my blush. You know. And then I decided last minute, that I would add a little bit of blue to the face. So I'm going back in with just a fluffier brush, and I'm using both the light and the darker blue mixed together from the Carity palette. And then I did use a little bit of the dark blue as well to kind of just give it some more color. I then put the shadows underneath my eyes that I used on the top lash, and then I used a Makeup Forever Artist Liner to the bottom lash line. And then I just set my brows with a Tarte brow mascara. And then I'm using this gel highlighter, it's like kind of like jelly-like, from CoverGirl. I'm using that all over my chest, my décolleté, my nose, my highlight area, everywhere. And then I'm using the Anastasia Nicole Guerrero palette on top of all of those areas and more to highlight. I mean, I want to be super glowy for this look, so okay. And then I used a smaller brush from Luxie just to get some of that highlight in the inner corners and brow bone. Time for the fun part. This is my glitter concoction. You guys, my glitter concoctions are so easy. I just have a ton of glitter and I just pick and choose according to the color I'm going for. And I use Tresemme hair gel and I just mix it all together. Before I did that, I'm using this IGK glitter hairspray to kind of hold my hair back away from my face. I sprayed some of it on my face as well, just covered my eyes, and I sprayed it on my chest just for effect, just for effect. But then I'm gonna take the glitter in my hands. I did use a clip to kind of hold my hair back, just for the sake of the video, and then I took all the glitter in my hands and just ran it through my head, and I decided to put it, of course, on my neck, on my chest, shoulders, and everything. It's just safe to say there was glitter everywhere. I'm still finding snowflake glitter everywhere. By the way, if you're having a tough time finding snowflake glitter, if you guys wanted to recreate this, look for it as confetti, quote unquote confetti. I feel like a lot of those thicker glitters are just called confetti. You can find them at Party City and stuff. So for the lips, I decided to go with my favorite lip liner, which is Nighthawk from Urban Decay. And then I use a SOOO Beauty matte liquid lipstick. I put a little white shadow in the center to ombre it a little more. I topped it off with the Fenty, oh my god, it's Milk something, and I topped it off with that and then a little bit of glitter, and that completed the entire look. I hope you guys like it. I love it. I love how it came out, and I'm really happy with it, so I hope you guys are too. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you try out this look or you're inspired by this look or do anything similar to this look, please make sure to tag me at Beauty by Julia or hashtag Beauty by Julia so that I can see it. I love seeing you guys' recreations. As always, make sure to click the subscribe button, which is right here in the center of my face, and check out all of my other videos on the side. Give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more Glitter Queen makeup looks moving into 2019, and I really appreciate you guys' support and love and just everything throughout my move and just these big life changes. So thank you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next video.